No, yes, tactics nina. Peter Newton Lati Ofia.
Cool.
Yes, Peter, senior most video analyst, one of the leading finest of Africa. What can I say? Yes, new league season, I say. Now, the boy no statistics being the PP. I'm up for episode Motonka. And then answer the league, I shall say.
Cool. There are a lot of records, lot of stats. As a season, you're sharing definitely. On say, your analysis. I want to make us we need as in China, wash it, just the things, numbers I be producing this season. From last season, 2023-2024 season, your Babenya Summertex are all Ghana Premier League, for the first time ever in history of the club. Now, Okbekaya, almost a new entrant into the league, a couple of seasons, joining Mabeji. That made Summertex the 13th different winner of our league.
13th.
13th.
Alright, okay.
13th different winner. Not just say Obi a wajibi no. Obi na won chain. But Obi a when you beat that out also 13 and Summertex.
New 13.
Especially media manoa or G season back on when to end different. Alright, so
it's you for now.
Who said about the Saswani Shema a BM set and how many points and a Summertex at the G? Summertex and has folk in the last 4 seasons said the same number of points in the G League 61. Last 4 seasons super clubs are J Ghana Premier League in the CMO. So of course Kumasi Asante Kotoko the 67 points a J under coach Dr. Prosper Ogum and Mediama under coach Evans Adote also the 60 points a J. Statistically, we share number of points out with the ceiling. That has been the case. Now, a Basel home strength, say, Obitinefie, a show resiliency, extra strength for making the grounds on a fortress. A Brankesi, a nation's grounds. Score, over Jenny, so be any one of our share nations.
Hey!
Yes,
Kasim Mengo.
Coach Kasim Mengo, be any one of our share.
Wow.
Safa one about Coca.
Wow.
Coach, open the beer or the 1 game pen will lose with yes, so I Kerala.
Okay.
1996.
Wow.
That is it. Kumasi Asante got a lot of records.
Krobia.
Top scorers chart, so 7 among last season or top lead your goal scorers chart.
Or that's what Brekum tells you, I know who.
Yes, Rumbo can crowd on home, but 19 goals in the last season was shared.
Wow.
That is the second highest in the last 4 seasons.
Hey!
After set, you are not in year 22. Okay, yeah, Ash Gold.
Come on, Ash Gold, Jelly.
Angelique.
David,
Last
Bella
season,
Mo, Bella
that was the last season, so who? Ash Gold those season, but in Bella and compete. Bella, last, I think one was the difference. You are not just one goal to beat in Bella. It was massive race between the two strikers and 22 goals. Who you see in China? You better 18 from a Bednago Tete and you 18 from Diawusi Taylor. But among Conrad 19, about the second highest in the last 4 seasons. A lot of records but you share team out in if you lose because you can't do it if you are not a day. Cool.
You're so called relegation. And I
go. But for quite lose 6 times.
I didn't ever call.
For quite lose 6 times. Before 2023, 2024 season. Six times.
Okay.
Now, Kumasa Asante Kotoko record, my catch was a
Krobia.
Yes. Sibi Mukwala, one striker will lead Kotoko last season here. Now, Osha Kotoko, they ended the season on a very, very strong note.
Wow.
19 goals. And I'm going to share as an individual. But Mukwala 14 hours share. Dear who say Osha 9 away.
Wow.
14 goals, no. We 19 of Amankona, 14 of Mukwala. Benjamin, Ajenim Boatin Mesa of Dreams, also 14. Sam Mukwala 14. Or say Moon 9.
Wow, that's impressive.
That's very impressive. Now, the who so say the most prolific central defender league or Heart of Lions, 13 goals.
Hey, one
on your captain.
Aban.
Yes, so also we are 19. We call her 14. Ubeyi Ebenezer Aban Abetua. So, but before that, Ajenim Boatin is my kind of 14. Eben 13. And Manoko on par with Hamza Isa.
House of Folk.
13, yes. Yes.
Phobia ye.
So on Hamza is you ever started season, no, you are so prominent in terms of strikers as any dog. So it was a certain Kashala Ramos more.
Yeah.
Any idea. But Hamza took lead in terms of finishes. I know war has folk. I know the beginning 13 goals. But Benizaban as a central defender, captain for Heart of Lions, and also Sunya 13 goals from central defensive position. Good, the most prolific
the numbers
defender. Talking about goalkeepers, you watch the hard the most clean sheets, clean sheet is a collective start. Clean sheet is a collective start.
Keep up with clean sheet at the general defenders.
The person actually say clean sheet, I statistics I chairman Crawford Ubia players 11 our field and so midfielders and attackers you have a clean sheet and by the man defenders and a goalkeepers. You go position the defend attack a bit to have a clear ball line so by a point clean sheet me the member goalkeeper.
Okay.
The chairman defenders. Clean sheet goalkeepers and Benjamin Asare. And you know
Olympics to a crowd of food.
16 clean sheets and unyanye.
Had no boss now but tell my it's your phobia but I'm saying now keep clean sheet no one they said the mama great Olympics score relegation let us all keep near says channel case name who why do you have so
one say your relegation teams in the corner and you're born bono and it's
Cassam in your maybe a big town common after the my starting.
So in terms of clean sheets, Benjamin Asare and a lady attacking and I said race 16 from last season. Are we hoping said will be better to me about the breaking record? Of course, he's so active this season for Crasfolk.
This year Jeremiah has
preparing massively, but the chip pair on 14. Kofi Ban in the Champions League for Samatex this season, Kofi Ban bought home after South J Premier League, they were Samatex, Kofi Ban another calf competition. So any goalkeeper back in Daniel Afaju of Insuatre, and also 12 clean sheets or Gregory Bensuch 12 and Felix J of Medina. So 12. So okay, Kamboman, the last 2 seasons goalkeepers in a day, Abdullah Idrisu of the Chim. On a clean sheet, was 18. Next 16 of Benjamin Asare, about the show. Patriotia, Sana Wako, Joseph Ado, Wako Felice 15, Wako Richard Atas Folk, then Sana Razak Abalora. That is UBM into the last 2 seasons. Now, you can't debutant or be on league, the Bilan Boom. Also, top scorers. Hamza Isa, you can't 13 a day. She saw her in a new woman, Konabo League, the BP.
Hamza was the first time.
Yes.
Wow. Hamza is a serious player.
No one said Mukola Niha, statistics now, Ghana Premier League for the debate, Mukola Niha, but okay, Mukola bought season Ibida.
Yeah, of course.
So, Shaka, we can say foreign innovation, but the actual Muka crowd. Hamza Isa, the first season in the Ghana Premier League, we are 13. Goals as debutants. But Musa, the most valuable attacker in our league, 10 goals. Samatex, yes. Saka down there 8, and a free Owusu, and so Tamale United, RTU, and also Enya 7 or that is a more league in Ibida, but the buyer was 7 goals. Saka down there Mobida, or by the 8 goals. Baba Hamadu Musa of Samatex, or by Mobida when you 10 goals. And Hamza Isa, no more with on the Suba Binya. Now, penalties. Now you're there 2 and our Bashan. Top scorers were more. Ebenezer Ban 13, I can, and 9. A penalty.
Musay
9.
Hey!
Oh, 7 man crosses are 19, 8. A penalty. Saka Dauda, the 8 goals no share, a mummy and sa a penalty. 7 days, and Mukola 14 goals, a mummy and sa a penalties. As a more boating a free dear goal. Also, 2 penalties. In terms of the penalty table, no Heart of Lions in your penalty to do up.
One in your penalty to do up.
11 penalties in last season.
Wow.
A few bets in Biana. It also means saying that you try the players and do up. But the A want to say there was one team surprisingly the whole season when your penalty be arm. Accra Lions, your fan to be.
Wow.
Accra Lions. When your penalty back cry and try to play back cry.
The strikers didn't turn tough on.
And the no penalty Accra Lions.
That's something else.
Ko yanko. All the players a ball, Premier League last season, do only minutes can see a boy, Benjamin Asare, goalkeeper of
Phobia, Great Olympics there.
Go money in the hole.
Great Olympics.
Great Olympics.
Yeah.
And then statistics day in 2 years,
but besides zero or has.
But you didn't come for last year.
At least also phobia for your credit.
3,258 minutes of football time and we at the Boma Olympics. Just behind him, Accra Lions. I'm a captain. Company from Ash Gold, from Tamale City to Accra Lions.
Outfield players,
yes, on air captain about 5. 3,211 minutes of game time. Of course, Ubenya Benezaban, Yabobo, Bomudino, Razak Simpson, man of the match awards,
Nations FC.
On the yard do a 7 times.
Wow.
7 times. Now, a year Kwame Seko last season league in your boy, in terms of goal production, and then I toss me in the last 4 seasons. So goals are shared to Atena. Last year, what should the last 4 seasons? I don't know better so me answer. Yes. Yenya 691 goals in 306 games. Wow. In the 2020-2021 season.
I think 1.5 we average, yeah.
Cool. The following season, yenya 627. But the next season now, that is the last 2 seasons, you been 644. Then number toss 2, no. Not 628 last season, but also I confuse you.
About for more.
The last 4 seasons 691. But the following season now I drop a crowd to 627, 627. From 691 to 627. The following season that was on a 644. And this season a 628. Let's just say the actually say this 628 now shooted by just a solitary goal.
Yes.
What is to the last 3 seasons yet 627 no one. It's number better so me answer. I'm a last 3 seasons you can't go production on the last 4 seasons. 627 no and it also me answer.
Brackets.
Yes. So cool. A lot of statistics are a war Ghana Premier League they corona. Yeah, now among for 2 kwan and I say away games. Yet clubs in the choir winning. Most of them it's because packet draw be bresuko but a club or winning do power last season or winning most matches away Asante Kotoko. Winning 5 games away.
Shout out 5 to games
away. Nations winning 4, Mediama winning 4, Recruit Chelsea winning 4, Heart of Lions winning 4, Summertex winning 3 games away.
Wow, I don't think
Accra Lions winning miensa, Adriana miensa, Great Olympics winning miensa. Now you catch the best attack in general. Is Summertex FC 1996. Almost 45 goals.
Attack
as the best attack. Of course, full of creators and scorers. Fans will say Usuda the other side.
Okay, so
Emmanuel Mama. These are the boys and the team. No
combined goals near
45 goals as the best attack last season. Dreams share 44, Adriana share 43, the Chem United share 41, Gold Stars share 41, and of course Accra Lions share 37. Alongside Brekum Chelsea. Go. And Twaso. Now Kotoko we need most away matches there. Not just a bad goal production as a club. Away Hoswa.
Only believe.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko. She 17 goals last season. Massive output, but unfortunately, position of the club are much better and a good start to say until they are reflecting. House of Folk, it's 16 goals away. I'm sure you phobia shape on 15-15. You be chimney so actually Karela Brekum Chelsea so on 14-14. Now the yadru sway ko na no ne be twa to na no ne be twa to ko yanko top most losses by club Adriana Elusu 16 but RTU Elusu 21. Hey, who are who? Elusu 21 games so RTU
out of 38 games and I said 30. Yeah, bought 34 because 18 team.
Top 10 most losses
Wow.
RTU lose 21 times.
Or the Boko relegation. No one was
Ko another.
No one was relegation.
Oh, they admit.
RTU situation there, and now can I quit Scassem.
Once a Buffalo Sufia Kese, who can't solve a relegation. But for statistics, you lose 6 times.
Yeah, 6 times.
But overall, RTU lose 21 times. The also do. Adriana lose 16 times. Oh, overall league, you know. So
again, at the end of Samuel.
Cool. Lagos City is 15, but for 13, you move 60 feet.
How's the Lusu say? And another draw, and I.
How's the folk losses in the top 10?
Draw top 10. All right. Draws no draws.
Has top 10 losses on count. Me say the other side, no more dropping points by virtue of the draws. I'm dropping 2.
And the man the question for
yes. I don't know any I can't say top most draws 16. And I said this last season, 15 for Bofakwa. Bofakwa lose if you inquire 6 times. But oh, had a draw not there, go 15 times. When I had to fly and say unity, and it has 12.
Hasball draw. Hasball drop.
Until it is all points, I'm drop here 12 times 2, 24 points from drawing positions. Who are not doing. Manchester United about draw 12. Great Olympics, Gold Stars, and a tour to us. You have wins in to us. FC Samatas had the most wins, 19 wins from last season. 19 wins. Mummy and Saya win. 19 wins, yes sir. It was 16 if you about draw back up. FC Samatas 1996.
General wins.
Yes. Generally 19 times and a win
out of 34 games.
So, Mummy and Saya away.
Okay.
If you know about 17. Cool.
I had it.
Statistics.
I had it.
Statistics. You call records, discipline record, no, and I say. You call Lagos Cities. 6 records. Instruction, 6 records.
Discipline.
Manchester United in discipline. Cool. The idea SCFO ABCD. The best answer baby. Referee D games in the say, Julian
Nuno Mensa.
Yes, Nuno Mensa. With the 17 games. Rastum
Galamu. Sanobe. Yeah.
Also the 16 games. Mohamed Misbah with the 15. Salom Yao Bless with the 14. Dr. Osman Imoro with the 13 games. Okay. Go! Let's go. Let's hope and I wait patiently. Say this season Ghana Premier League of fire. They produce a lot of stats equivalent or probably
better improved one. Statistics out there my way. But we are hoping say Liga Euromuno. You been a much improved stats with sweet numbers.
Yeah, sure.
And no na
on this note, you can share a TF4 say show love.
Now about subscribe button no about Adomano so. Adomano background no Itanutillate YouTube official.
Cool.
Data and statistics ni nyina wa.
Yeah.
It starts no.
You can endorse no the songs.
You be check for achi obi a. Abrochefo ye chemu.
Abrochefo ya no pen brofo ko next time ya na.
You be cobrofo. But ade be cobrofo no bi ade say anopa no mo send $100 bi me di 13. Na krum ha no. O de e chire.